The Edits page. Welcome to the Timetailor with Fast Track video training series. These videos will provide a greater understanding of how to set up, configure, and execute time reduction tasks. In this episode, we will review the editing functions of Timetailor and Fast Track. To enter the Edits page, click the Edits button in the Timetailor status window. There are 40 cells on 4 pages for executing frame-accurate trimming of content in real time during the reduction processing. On the right side of the page are Enable and Disable buttons. Since this is a new job, the first thing we must do is press the Clear All button to remove all past entries. Click the Next Page button to assure all cells have been cleared on Edits page 2, Edits page 3, and the Beginning and End Edits page. This is where we can put black on the tail of a feature, or we can do head formatting using a switcher. We can also add bars and tone. Let's type a few random numbers in here for commercial breaks, so we can see what it looks like and how the timecoder responds. The in-time buffer is the in-time of your first commercial break. Delete out is the first frame on your source when you return from the commercial break. Delete duration is the difference between the in-time and delete out numbers. The insert duration is the time of your commercial break, and reduction is the amount of time we wish to reduce in each segment. We are going to make the first commercial break at 1 hour, 2 minutes, 0 seconds, and 2 frames. Since we already have 5 seconds of black inserted for a commercial, we will remove that 5 seconds of black by entering the delete out time as 1 hour, 2 minutes, 5 seconds, and 0 frames. The delete duration will update to 4 seconds, 28 frames automatically. Let's create a new commercial black of 30 seconds. Type 3000 into the insert duration. Remember, nothing will show up in reduction until we place the changes on the timeline. Let's do a second set of numbers for good measure. We can set the in at 1 hour, 4 minutes flat, and jump to the delete duration and enter in the 30 seconds, and it will automatically update the delete out box. Once that has been entered, click Done, which will return us to the main window. Check the box next to Edits to enable the edit information. Then select Place Events on Timeline or press F2. F4 will force the entire project to be displayed in the timeline from left to right. Upon returning to the main screen, we now see the resulting numbers from each of our segments. We can navigate around the Fast Track by using the ruler bar. Also, clicking on the CTI and holding down the Control key allows us to expand and contract the view on the timeline. Our project now begins at 1 hour straight up on Record and Source. The source out for the first commercial break is 2 minutes. The duration is now 1 minute, 49 seconds, and 28 frames, and we can see our second segment, the commercial break, has a duration of 30 seconds. The source in time for the third segment is 2 minutes, 5 seconds. The duration of the third segment is now 1 minute, 47 seconds, 16 frames, when it was in fact 1 minute, 55 seconds. For more information about the Timetailor, or if you have any questions regarding this episode of the Timetailor video training series, please visit our website or contact Prime Image Tech Support using the contact page of our website.